guys, what's going on? It's the Nod Boys, and we just got the NES Classic Edition at Target. Get them at Target. We didn't get. This isn't the first release. This is the second release. Here's the front of the box.
Yeah, and then on the back of the box, it tells you all the games.
Tells you from 1 to 30.
Okay, I'll just name all these.
You don't need to name all of them, but
okay.
There's The Adventure of Link. There's also Super Mario Bros. 3.
And Mega Man 2.
Mega Man 2. Super Mario Bros. 2.
Super Mario Bros. 3.
Oh, well, Super Mario.
And Super Mario. And then Super Mario Bros.
Dr. Mario. Okay.
Dr. Mario?
Yeah, right over here.
Oh, yeah, it's Dr. Mario.
Okay.
There's a lot of Marios.
Okay, here you are. Now we're just gonna start opening it up, and then we're gonna see what this thing looks like.
Nintendo
You know what?
Entertainment System.
You
Look,
should
can you get that? I want to show them that.
You should have yeeted it.
I did eat.
You didn't say
Here's the instructions manual. The Nintendo Entertainment System.
Okay, so we
Take
have
that controller out. I want to show them that controller.
Oh, this is nice. Boop beep boop.
There is the controller. Select, start, up, down, left, right, then B and A. Then
And here's the actual
and here
console.
is the Nintendo Classic.
Wait. So this is what they compare.
This is the Super
Nintendo.
and that
that's
is
Classic.
the NES Classic.
Leave a comment down below. This one or that one? Which one looks cooler?
And which one would you buy?
And then here is the startup button, the power button, and then the reset button to get out of the games.
Okay, those are small things. But
Then here's the controllers,
okay.
where you put the controllers in.
Okay, but
And
this one.
that's the HDMI cord, the power, the outlet cord.
So in this
and
one, the reset button and the power button are a lot bigger, and where you put the controllers is right here, which is cooler and better.
Because you can see the
Here
metal.
is
And know
The
it
power block, which is the same one for the Super Nintendo.
Yeah. And
Okay.
this is the USB port right here. Here.
Oh, guys.
Right there.
Also, this goes down all the way, but this doesn't.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
Okay, so where's the HDMI cable
Well,
at?
This is the first
Oh, yeah,
video.
right here.
We'll show you guys another video on how to set it up. See ya.